Hey, sixth graders. Mr. Plog here, shooting my first video ever during the school day. So some of you can probably notice that this is a pretty similar shirt to what you saw me wear on a certain day that you were in school, if you were in cohort A. So that being said, I am going to try to keep my voice at a halfway decent tone because I feel like there might be some people that can hear me. So I will take my mask off because I am by myself and socially distanced. Hopefully that's going to help you, okay? So today is our weekly assessment, right? Which should have been posted at Thursday at 4. So I just want to quickly go into it and give you a quick preview and show you one specific thing that you're going to need to do to make sure that you can get that question that it is about right, okay? It has to do with putting a picture inside of a Google form for a quiz, okay? So that being said, I can tell the lighting in here is kind of bad. I'm sorry about that. Let's move on. This should be a pretty quick video. Okay. So there it is. I'll move myself up here. So we're going to go into classwork, right? And we should be getting pretty well acclimated to that classwork tab now, right? So we're going to scroll down until today's date, which it should be right here. It's our weekly assessment. You should have had class already. And under here, this September 14th to 18th weekly assessment, that is where your Google form is going to be, right? So we are going to click on it. Now for you, it would launch it right away. For me, I have it right here, right? Now, this is really, these questions right here is what we need to talk about, okay? So when you get into the quiz, you'll notice that there are these two questions and they're gonna have this particular map on it, okay? Now, it is going to ask you to use this map to try to figure out, for one, using coordinates to tell you, or to get you to tell me what city that those coordinates most represent. So what is the closest guess to the coordinates of a city? And you have a multiple choice guess. And then the same thing down here. We are going to give you the city and then you need to tell us what the coordinates are, okay? So this one is a little bit longer than the last one. It's out of 6 points, but at the same time, as long as you've been in here, you've been doing the videos and working on the skills practice, if you've been in school, this shouldn't be all that bad, right? Especially since Thursday's video talked about how exactly to do this. Give you a hint. A pencil and a straight edge might be a good idea, okay? Now remember, this is due tomorrow at noon, or if you're watching it on Friday, it's due today at noon. So Friday at noon, this needs to be in, and we are gonna take the grades and put them in the grade book, okay? You have any questions on this? You got all morning Friday to ask me anything. Go ahead, send me a GChat or an email, and I'll answer any questions you have, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, have yourselves a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Make good choices, and we'll see you as soon as we see you. Have a good one.